I thought it'd be fun to bring you guys along with me for a day in my life video. It is Saturday. This is part of my fall vlog series. I just started this last week. You guys seem to really enjoy it. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. Be sure to give it a big thumbs up if you do. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below if you haven't already. It is Saturday, like I mentioned before. I woke up at 6 this morning. I got my video edited, so I uploaded a new outfit of the week video. I got all dolled up. I posted to my blog, which is listed down below if you want to check it out. And I tried out this new lipstick, and it is from Pixie. It is in the shade Au Naturel, I think. It's kind of like an orangey tone to it, but I really like it. It's really fun. It is so hot here, which is so weird for October. They're even saying it's like not normal for how hot it is. It's like 85 degrees. I'm not complaining. I like warm weather, but I'm like ready to wear my fall outfits. But I just got like a little polo on. I'll show it to you guys when I get home. But me and my mom are going out shopping. It's a girls' day. We're gonna have so much fun. I'm so excited, and I have to swing by the mall to pick up the Vineyard Vine gift card for my gift card giveaway on my Instagram. It might be over by the time this video goes up, but be sure to check out my Instagram. It's just at Kellyprepster if you guys want to have opportunities for more giveaways, because I think those are so much fun. And yeah, so I'm just gonna bring you guys along with me today. I hope you guys enjoy this video, and I'll keep you guys updated. Okay guys, it's been a busy morning. I'm back home now, and me and my dad are gonna go hit a bucket of golf balls like we did last weekend, and it was so much fun. I think my swing's getting a little bit better. I don't really know. Practice makes perfect, I guess. So I'm gonna put on a fitness outfit. It's really hot outside, so I'm a little nervous because it's so warm, but it's gonna be fun. I'm gonna probably wear like a baseball hat or something just because it's so sunny out, but I'm super excited. I really have been enjoying golfing, you guys. It's so much fun. I added this little Vineyard Vines baseball hat with my ponytail just because it's so sunny outside. I figured this would be fun. I have on this white tank top from Ellie, and I just tucked it in a little bit, a navy sports bra from Ellie, and then this cute little athletic skirt, and this is from Target. It's from the little girl section, but it's super cute, and it just has like pink spandex underneath. And then I just have on some white Nikes. They're so dirty. I've had these shoes forever, you guys, but they're so comfy. I just can't get rid of them. But that is the outfit. I'm super excited. It's gonna be fun, but it's gonna be really hot. Way to the green flag. So it's a while later. It's like 6:30 right now. We are at the mall because I need to pick up this Vineyard Vines gift card that I was talking about earlier. So we're gonna go into Vineyard Vines, pick it up. I'm super excited because I haven't been to Vineyard Vines for a while, so I'm excited to see what they have, to look around and everything. I'm gonna bring you guys along with me as well, but that is just a little update. Okay, so I am back home now. It's been a hot minute. It's like 7 o'clock right now. It was quite a bit of a drive to the mall and everything. But so I went to Vineyard Vines like I was telling you guys about, and oh my gosh, I have a whole bag of swag. So I was buying the gift card for you guys, which we hosted a giveaway, which is over on the 8th. But don't worry, if you guys like giveaways and everything, be sure to check out my Instagram. Like I mentioned earlier, I'm going to be hosting a lot more, so definitely follow me over there. I went in there, bought the gift card, and I was telling them, oh, my battery is dying, hold up. Okay, sorry about that. My camera literally died, but I've been carrying this camera around with me all day. So it's to be expected, and my phone is buzzing. Okay, I'm so excited. So I went to Vineyard Vine, bought the gift card, and I was talking to the people working there, and I was like, yeah, I'm hosting a giveaway on my Instagram. I didn't mention anything about like my Instagram or anything. I just said it was for Instagram. And she's like, let me get you a bag of swag. So I have this whole bag filled of Vineyard Vines goodies. So we're gonna do like a little haul of the Vineyard Vines swag. I feel like this is gonna be really fun because she gave me so much stuff, and it was so sweet of her, and I'm gonna send her a nice thank you email and everything because it was so nice, and I'm super excited to share this with you guys as well. So let's just do like a little swag unboxing. So the biggest thing in here is the whale hat, you guys. And I have been obsessed with Vineyard Vines since I want to say like 2014, 2015, and I remember seeing these whale hats and thinking, oh my gosh, this is so cool. I went to a Vineyard Vines grand opening and I never like got the whale hat, and you guys know I have achieved it. I got the whale hat. I am so tired right now. I only got 2 hours of sleep last night, but this is so stinking fun. I'm so excited about this. Then they gave me a orange koozie, and it just says Vineyard Vines, and it says every day should feel this good on the back of it. I have a pair of these fun blue sunglasses that say Vineyard Vines on the back of them. These are really nice. I have a pair of white and green ones as well, and I really like them. And the last thing is this really fun like patchwork lanyard, which is so cute. I just love all of the patchwork. It's one of my favorite things from Vineyard Vines because I love how colorful and cute the little designs are. And then of course I got my gift card for the giveaway, so the lucky winner is going to be getting a nice Vineyard Vines gift card, which me and Courtney and Carly are so excited to give to you guys. It's been such a fun giveaway and we're so thankful for all of you guys entering. And then the last thing in the bag is a bunch of stickers, you guys. I'm so excited, and I'm just so grateful that she gave me this little bag of swag for you guys. So I got the like monogrammed whale sticker. I think this is part of their like passport sticker. Yeah, like the VV passport. I did not do this, but I know a lot of people on Instagram did. Then just like a little patchwork whale, which is so cute, you guys. And then of course just some of the classic pink ones. And again, I do host sticker giveaways on my Instagram, so be sure to check it out. It's just at Kellyprepster. But that is what I picked up from Vineyard Vines. I'm so beyond grateful. It was so sweet of them, and everyone working there was so nice. And then the next thing I wanted to share in this little haul, I got a new flat iron in the mail, and I'm so excited about this. This is from Irresistible Me. This is their black diamond flat iron, and I just got this. I'm gonna have to do a video with them about it, but I'm super excited because I've never done a video about like straightening my hair and stuff, and I'm gonna do like a get ready with me, so you guys are gonna see that later this week. But it's just really nice flat iron. I'm super excited to open it up. Might as well do that right now. So it just has like a bunch of packaging in it. Packaging is really fancy too, because honestly, my flat iron, I bought this one at Target. It was $20. It's by John Frieda. It does a really nice job, but it is a few years old, so it doesn't turn on all the time, which sounds a little skep, but I promise it's a nice flat iron. But I'm super excited about this one. And it is just like a black matte, some like gold inside. I'm super excited to try this out, you guys. I love wearing my hair straight, especially since it's getting longer now, because it doesn't hold the curls as well as it used to because it's like so long and heavy. But that is what I got in the mail today. Super exciting. I feel like I have to do like an unboxing slash mini haul in every one of these vlogs. It's just so much fun. But I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. Me and my family are going out to dinner now because it's like 7 o'clock, like I said. It's kind of late for dinner, I feel like, but it's the weekend, so it's okay. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. You guys are awesome. Definitely check out all my socials. They're listed down below, and I'll see you guys very soon with my next video. Bye, guys!